Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I have been busy uploading my videos on Instagram, so definitely check me out on Instagram because that's where I upload all my makeup videos lately. But yeah, I wanted to upload this video on here, so I hope you guys really like it. And this is the look that I came up with, a very classy, beautiful look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with priming my face. I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. So I've been really loving this primer. I have been using it for a while, and I really like it because it makes my foundation last long. So definitely give it a try. I believe you can get a sample of it at Sephora. I think Ulta as well. I don't know where they have it. I got mine from Sephora, so yeah. Anyways, all right, for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one from NARS. I feel like the shade is a little too light for me. I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think. But this is like a new foundation for me. You guys know me that when I try foundations, I like to stick with whatever I like the most. But I was like, you know what, it's time for a change. So I decided that I was gonna switch up some of my makeup and try different foundations. So they color matched me with this shade. I feel like it's a little bit light, and then I decided to tan myself. So definitely I feel like it's light, but I don't know, you guys let me know. So anyways, I like to go ahead and apply this onto the back of my hand, and then I like to get my sponge ready for the foundation. I do spray my foundation with setting spray as well, just to make sure that, you know, it just blends everything nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this foundation and blend it all out, making sure that mostly my coverage that I'm gonna get is in my cheek area, because that's where I really like getting my most coverage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time. All right, moving on to concealer. I did not notice that the concealer was almost the same color as my foundation, and I still went ahead and I applied it. I usually apply concealer just to brighten it under the eyes, not to cover anything. So I really didn't mind it. I didn't realize it was so matching to the foundation. I still went and applied it until right now that I'm editing, I see, and I'm like, okay, it's a like one shade lighter than my foundation. So it kind of blends in, so it's kind of pointless. But anyways, I still go in ahead and I blend it out and everything. But yeah, I would definitely try to use a lighter shade just to kind of brighten under the eyes, because this one really matches. So it's kind of like I did foundation and concealer as a foundation. So yeah, keep in mind you want to do a lighter shade just to kind of brighten under the eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend all that out. I do like to kind of let it sit a little bit, and then I like to go back and apply my setting powder. I'm going to be using the It Bye Bye Pores. This is amazing. Like, it really makes your pores disappear. So it's translucent. They do have it in 2 other shades. Definitely check them out. Like I said, I do post all my makeup tutorials first on Instagram, just because I feel like more people see the videos there. Not a lot of people see the videos on YouTube, so I moved on to Instagram. So my videos will be going up on Instagram first, and then I will slowly start bringing them into like TikTok and YouTube, where mostly a lot of other people don't have Instagram, or they don't have TikTok, but they have YouTube. So I have to kind of switch it around a little bit. So definitely check the down bar for my other platforms. So then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and with the same powder, apply that all over my face just to kind of set everything. I do like to use my sponge to apply wherever I applied concealer. And then wherever I didn't apply concealer, I like to apply the powder with a brush, just so that it doesn't look too cakey or too heavy. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure that everything is really nice and blended. And I am using a Morphe brush. I have no idea if they still sell this brush, but this is like one of my favorite brushes. So if you guys do decide to buy brushes from Morphe or anything from Morphe, definitely use my code Prettygrace for some money off. really appreciate that. And so yeah. All right, for bronzer, I'm gonna stick to my favorite one. This one is from Buxom, my favorite shade. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my cheekbones and then to my temples and all that good stuff. I don't know why my lighting is like off right now, but this looks a little bit orange than it really does look. It's not orange, I promise you that. It's just the lighting. I feel like maybe I need to adjust the settings on the camera, and then I switch my camera to a little higher position, so I feel like maybe that's ruining it. I don't know. I can never like decide how I want to put my camera. So let me know if you guys like the position of this camera or you would like it a little bit lower. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and chisel my chin area as well, so it looks like I haven't ate for days. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that. I'm actually using, I believe this is a Marc Jacobs brush. I'm not sure, it's an old brush. So yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to blush. I'm gonna be using MAC Cosmetics blush. um it's a creamy one. Usually I would apply this when my foundation is not set, but I really like how it looks on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. It's like a peachy color. It is kind of like a, how to, spongy. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a fluffy type of um, blush. And see how pretty that looks? Like, I really like how that looks. So that's been my go-to lately as well. So yeah, so moving on, just to contour my nose a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and use another Morphe brush and the same bronzer that I use, and then I'm gonna apply some setting powder on the sides of my nose just to set it, and then I'm gonna leave it alone for a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the shadow. So today's look, I'm going to be using the Mayra and Karina palette. This is the Gemela Cosmetics. If you guys don't know who they are, amazing ladies. Definitely you guys need to check them out. So they came out with their own makeup line and they were so nice, and they sent me PR and I was like, oh my god, how cool. So I'm going to be using this shadow right here, and I'm going to apply this to my crease. Um, the shadows are so pigmented. I love them. I want to create more looks using this palette. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more looks, I can definitely get those out. Get those done and out to you guys so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply, I think it's Toast, I believe, all over the crease. And I do take my time because I feel like taking your time with the crease color is what makes the look come out nice, because if you don't blend it really nice, then it just feel like everything just gets ruined. So I do like taking my time applying my first shadow. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So we're moving on to the next color, and that's going to go a little lower from where I applied the first shadow. So that's going to go a little bit lower so you can still kind of see the other one, but it's not like overpowering it. They're kind of like the same tone, but one's darker than the other one. So I'm building up to darken my crease a little bit. So that's what we're doing today. And I'm kind of like winging it out a little bit just because I want it to be a little bit, you know, wingy. Then I'm going to go with this color right here. This one is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and apply that one as well, a little bit lower as well, just so that, you know, the colors, you can see them, and we're still kind of building the color to go from light to dark. So I'm going to take my time and do that. So I'll be honest with you guys, I really did not fast forward this video. I did cut a little bit of clips that I felt like you guys didn't need to see, but just letting you guys know I did not fast forward anything. Then I'm going with the lighter shade, applying this to my brow bone just to kind of get the look to start coming together. Um, I love a light shade on the brow bone. It's just so beautiful. And then I'm just going to go back and reapply some of the colors. Then I'm going with this beautiful shade called Glam. Oh my God, this shade is so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto the lid. Okay, this shade is so beautiful. Like, look, I had to adjust myself because I had to like kind of stretch my eye out. But yeah, beautiful shade. Look how beautiful that is. Especially when you spray your brush with a little bit of setting spray and then you dip into that shade. Amazing. All right, so then I'm going to go with this color right here, and I'm going to apply this into the inner corner of my eyes. I just used my finger, honestly. I was like, I'm not wearing any nails today, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers. I feel like applying shadow with your fingers kind of makes everything more pigmented, so I was like, I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right. So as you guys can see, I'm applying the little brown shade in the outer corner just because I want it. Like, I feel like I needed something, so I went ahead and applied that shimmery brown shade in the outer corner just a little bit to kind of darken the outer corner a little bit, but not too crazy. So that's what I went. I kind of just winged this look because I honestly didn't know where I was going with this look, but I love how beautiful this look came out. So then I'm just cleaning any fallout or anything that I might have. Then I'm going to go back with that same shade right there, and I'm going to apply that into the bottom lash line. I kind of wanted to smoke it out, but didn't want to overdo it. So I'm glad I used that shade because that shade is so pretty. So I'm just going back and forth, and the brush that I'm using is from Hip Dot, from one of the Reese's Pieces collection they had. That eyeshadow brush came in that, so I'm using that, and I like it for the bottom lashes because it works. Then I'm gonna smoke it out with that shade just to kind of clean it out a little bit, you know, kind of smooth everything out, make sure everything is really nice and blended. Yes ma'am, that's what we're doing. So I just like to kind of go back and forth, make sure that everything is really nice and blended, and then I go with my brush and kind of clean it off a little bit. Then I'm going with a nude pencil, and I believe this is from Rimmel London. I will list everything down below for you guys. If I can find links for it, I will definitely link everything down for you guys. So I decided that I wanted to go with a nude lip. Nude eyeliner. I don't know why I said lip. But this one was so creamy. I loved it. We're gonna go with lashes, and I'm applying some It Cosmetics mascara just to prepare my lashes for the falsies. This mascara is so nice. I like it. It makes my lashes pop. So yeah, I just wanted to apply some mascara before I apply my falsies, just to make sure they blend really nice together. For lashes, I'm actually using some from that I got from Amazon. I actually got a Amazon what is it called? Amazon Front, like a little website thing where we can add our favorites on there. So I did add it, so I'll link it down below for you guys. If you guys want to purchase stuff from there, I definitely would appreciate it. I would get a little bit of commission out of whatever you guys buy, and that would really help me with my taco addiction because I could buy more stuffed animals. Yeah, I buy taco stuffed animals. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, look at these lashes. They're so nice. Like I said, they will be at the storefront, so you guys can definitely check that out. The link will be where all the discount codes are at. It'll say Amazon discount or storefront or something. It'll be there. So yeah. All right, so right here, I'm just kind of making sure that everything looks really nice and blended. I feel like my eyebrow looked a little bit shiny, so I'm like over here trying to fix it. Like I said, I really didn't edit a lot of stuff out of this video just because I wanted to show you guys everything that I do. So keeping it real. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara, just a little bit more. And look how beautiful these freaking lashes look. I don't know. I always have to be doing that to feel like until they stick. And then I feel like, okay. Then we're moving on to the lips. They also came out with a lip trio lip liner, a liquid lip, and a gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the lip liner. The color, beautiful. The application, beautiful. It was really creamy and smooth. I really like it. I had no trouble applying it. It just went on and it glided smoothly, so I really like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the liquid lip. I would really like more lip liners, ladies, because these lip liners were so creamy. I need a nude one, a brown one, and then liquid lips as well. I need a brown one, a nude one. So this is the color. I will list everything down below. I like to kind of blend it in with my finger just to kind of make the lip liner and the liquid lip blend together a little bit more. And I could leave it like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gloss that came with it because they smelled amazing. I was like, you know what, I need to add the gloss just to make my lips pop a little bit more. So I decided to go ahead and do that, the gloss. Oh, here I'm just reapplying my lip liner just to make sure that it's still showing because I kind of blended too much and I feel like it was disappearing. So as you can see, look how fast the lip liner glides on. It's like, whoa. All right, so I'm just blending away with my finger. Yes ma'am, yes, that's what we're doing. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and add the gloss. It does have like a little bit of like, not glitter, I want to say, but it does have like shimmer in there a little bit. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Before I go, I almost forgot, I used Glam as a highlighter. I almost had forgotten that I was supposed to add highlighter, but oh my god, look how beautiful this shade is. I used it as a highlighter and I was like, god damn girl, this highlighter is amazing. So yeah, so I'm just applying it to my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and I was like, you gotta stop me before I start adding it everywhere. So yeah, beautiful color. I definitely recommend you guys check them out. I love it. I just wanted to put that color all over my face. Honestly, I had to stop myself because I was like, girl, you need more. No, you don't need more. So yeah, then I'm applying some setting spray just to set everything, make sure everything looks and stays in place. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and just leave a random comment. Doesn't matter, so this video can get out to more people and I can keep uploading videos on here because it's dead. It's like really dead, you guys. Like honestly, like I'm disappointed. But yeah, thanks again for watching. I love you guys and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.